First time playing Brawl Stars, so I decided to ask my Discord server. Got some tips, so let's search. Wait, this is Roblox, I forgot. First, fight T check of purplehair.girl. Here's the game. Cool skull design 7 to 10.
Do this!
Kablow, kaboom. Kablow, kaboom. Kablow, kaboom.
Cool skull design again. Let's go back.